students, I welcome you all for the online class of business studies. As yesterday we have learned the economic and non-economic activity. Let have a differences between the economic activity and non-economic activities. Motive: the activity which are undertaken with an economic motive of earning money and creation of wealth is considered as economic activity. So the main point is earning money and creation of wealth. Those non-economic activities which are undertaken with social or psychological satisfaction motive is considered as non-economic. Expectation: money income is expected from these activities. In economic, in non-economic, psychological satisfaction is expected, not the money. Purpose: the purpose of this activity is creation of wealth. In non-economic activity, the purpose of this activity is psychological satisfaction. Outcome: the outcome of these activities is production of goods and services. In non-economic activity, the outcome is satisfaction of person. Example of economic activity are business, profession, employment. Non-economic activity, this example are family-oriented activities, religious social services, and patriotic activities. Now, what is human activity? We already learned, all those activity which is done by the human being is considered as human activity. You can see the flow chart. It is classified into two, as we already learned: economic activity, non-economic activity. Further, economic activity bifurcated into three: business, profession, employment. Non-economic activities is bifurcated into religion, parental, social. The concept and characteristics of business. Let us start over the main topic. Business is a wide term. It includes all occupations in which people are busy in earning income either by production or purchase and sale or exchange of goods and services to satisfy the needs of other people with the main objective of earning profit. It is considered as business. So it is saying that business is not a short term that we can explain. It is a very wider term. It includes all the occupations, that is purchasing, buying, selling, production of goods and services, all those activities whose main objective of doing is earning profit. Definition by different authors. Business is a human activity directed towards producing or acquiring wealth through buying and selling of goods. Business is an activity in which different persons exchange something of value, whether goods or services, for mutual gain or profit. It is said by Peterson and Plowman. So both the person is telling that business is an human activity. It is done by the human being with the different persons for exchanging goods and services and production of goods and services with the main motive of earning profit. In modern times, business is no longer dealing with only goods or services. It cannot be defined in terms of profit. It has become an integral part of the society. In modern times, business includes the following activities. The very first activity, creating a customer for itself. Second, converting economic resources into goods and services, keeping in mind the preferences of the customers. And the third, innovating new products or services. Innovation may lead to technological upgradation of production and process. Here it is saying in these first three lines, the very first activity which is done by business is creating more and more customer for the business, who are the kingpin of the market, who will purchase the goods which we are producing, and then only our business can be done. The second is converting economic resources into goods and services, which by keeping the preference of the customers. The third thing, every production and services what we are providing, it requires some innovation to be done so that people will like the things time to time and their needs can be fulfilled. And the fourth thing is marketing these innovative products and services so that these can reach the customer. Yes, definitely. Innovation must be like that and services must be like that. It must reach to the ultimate consumer for whom we are producing the goods. So this was the activity earlier considered in the business. Characteristics, nature of business. Business is an economic activity. Why we are considering business is an economic activity? Because in business, the main purpose of doing business is earning money, and wherever we are earning money, it comes in an economic activity. And it is not done for psychological satisfaction. Second, business is production or procurement of goods and services. Every business enterprise either produces or procures goods or services from producers. Yes, definitely. Whatever business is done, whatever service, it is done from the producer. Goods may consist of consumer or industrial goods, and services may include transportation, banking, insurance, etc. So the second characteristic is, in business we are doing two activity, either production or procurement. If you want to know the meaning of procurement, it means here the producer are not producing the goods by themselves. They are collecting the goods from various industries, and then they are giving it the final shape to a particular product, like for example computer. Second, sales or exchange of goods and services for the satisfaction of human needs. Business involves sales or exchange of goods or services. The production of goods or services for self-consumption is not business. A farmer cultivating crop for himself and his family's consumption only is not doing business, but the farmer who is cultivating crop for sale is involved in business activity. I think the point is clear. So business is done for sale or exchange of goods and service, not for mere consumption of the goods. Similarly, buying goods to gift is someone else is not business, but buying goods for resale is business. So there must be sale or exchange of goods or service in business. The fourth characteristics of business is dealing in goods or services on a regular basis. Another important feature of business is that it must sell or exchange goods or services on a regular basis. Buying or selling of goods for once or twice is not considered as business. As one person is having a land and selling it, it will not be considered as business. But the same person selling the land but different time, every month, every week, it will be considered as business. Profit earning. The next characteristics of business is profit earning. The main purpose of business is earning profit. If the profit motive is missing in a transaction, then it cannot be considered as business. For example, goods given in charity are not a business activity. No businessman can survive without earning sufficient profit. Next, uncertainty of risk or return. Another important feature of business is the presence of risk factor in the transaction. There is always a possibility of losses. It is not certain that a businessman will always earn adequate profit as market conditions. So that uncertainty is always with the business. So that was the characteristics of the business. Now the next topic is business as an economic activity. Business is considered as an economic activity because of the following reasons. Very first, profit motive. The main motive of every business activity is to earn money in the form of profit, and any activity which results in earning of money and creation of wealth is considered as economic activity. So we can say business is an economic activity. Second, creation of utilities. Yes, business create various types of utility. Very first is form utility. It means business convert the raw material into finished goods. It gave shape to the raw materials. Time utility. Yes, business do a well utility of the time. How it does, as goods are produced once, or goods are produced all around the year, but it is consumed all around the year. So that way business makes the time utility. Goods are not consumed immediately when they are produced. Generally there is a time gap between the production and consumption of goods and services. Some goods are produced in a particular season but consumed throughout the year, but wheat, rices, pulses. On the other hand, some goods are produced throughout the year but are consumed in a particular season. Example, AC, cooler, etc. Businessmen store the goods in warehouses and supply them whenever the customers demand them. By storing the goods in warehouse, the businessman helps in removing the time gap and creates time utility. Next is the place utility. Goods are not consumed in the same place where they are produced. Yes, definitely. Where the producer are producing, it is not like that they are from there only the goods will be sold. It must be distributed to the various places till the ultimate consumer. So goods are produced at one place but distributed in different corners of the country. The businessman provide transport services to move the goods and services from the place of production to the place of consumption. This is considered as economic activity. Next is exchange of goods and services. Yes, economic activity aims at earning money by exchange of goods or services. Similarly, business activities result in sale, distribution or exchange of goods or services for earning profit. This all points say that business is considered as economic activity. So for today's class, these three topics are enough. Thank you.